Okay children, I'll teach you how to make a scene with pansies in the rainy season. Make a small cross around your pages wherever you want your pansies to be drawn. Okay? Wherever you want it. Now from the cross, you make your petals. So this is your one pansy is ready. Same with the others. Can make big pansies, can make small pansies. Okay, you have your pansy flowers ready. Now you have a petals to the you have to have the pansy buds. Here you can make small buds. Here you don't need buds, but you need the stalk of your pansies. Got your pansies ready? Now near the pansy we have the river flowing, right? This is your gutter or the which looks like a river flowing. Now we have the rain in the night. But I will not draw the rain. We will start coloring it. Okay? Here's my colors. And you can have is with black draw the clouds. Because we get rain from dark clouds. Okay. Now you take your blue and get the rainfall. It rains whole night long. So what happens when it rains whole night long? The water in the gutters get filled. But see children, when you're drawing it or when you're coloring it, see that it doesn't come out of your line. It has to be in the line. And you have to color it only one way. You can't change your coloring, the size of the color. Now let's color the flowers. Take one color. This is one petal ready. One bud ready. This is the second bud. Now what are pansies? Pansies are small flowers with velvet petals on short trees. short trees. Take a color and put it on all the leaves wherever you want it, on all the petals, wherever you want it. Okay, this petal can have the pink on top. This can have a big pink down. Okay, now we can take is a darker shade of purple or violet and draw it like this. This can have it here. This can have a double color here. This here. This two here. Now we'll take yellow. This could have a petal, yellow petal here. This petal could be yellow here. This could be here. This here. This here. Now we could take a different shade of yellow or a peach. Okay, now take black and darken the cross in the center. Why? That is the pollen grains that are on the flower. You know, we learned about butterflies coming to catch the, get the pollen to make honey. The same way here. Now you can take green and color the stalk and your leaves. A little water near the pansies that get collected because it is raining heavily. I've forgotten to make so this is your rain in the night scene.